So for 2019, we've got a brand new tag, and this tag tells the whole of our gin story in literally 4 pictures. Someone could pick up a bottle and say, what's this gin all about? And in 4 photographs, they'll know the story. You've got a photograph of the original bakery chimney that was dangerous, so we removed it. We then got sued when we removed it because somebody else claimed to have owned it. So while we were going through the legals, we found out that the original bakers over 100 years ago made illegal gin here. We've then got a photograph where we've tracked down descendants of the Muse. We've then got a photograph of the original sign that we've resurrected, and that original sign for the original bakery we've used as our label for Old Bakery Gin, right down to a picture of our stills, and obviously our latest still. And here we are telling the story so that it makes sense. And what makes our gin different? It is the story. It's so unique.